Welcome back, everyone. Today I finally finished this office, and I'm going to just show you how I put everything together. This is an old Ikea chef's unit that I had, that it was beige, so I painted it white to match everything else. And then come on, I'm just show you how I decorated it. I've been retired for 5 days, and I've been working since I was 18. So what's important to me right now is Barbie and Ken dolls. So I have them up top on my shelf because all my life I wanted the Barbie doll. And look at Barbie sitting up there looking all cute, and then Ken looking handsome. What else can you want in life? I found this white TV stand at a garage sale, and it only had 3 legs. So I purchased it for $15 from the lady and paid her husband $5 to put it on his truck and drive it home for me. And when I get home, I had my husband just break off the other 3 legs, and look how nice it's just sitting on the floor. I painted it, some new knobs, and how beautiful it is in my room. I purchased these 3 mirrors for $5 from Walmart, and my husband just hung them so beautifully on the wall. All right, now thank you for sharing this simple Southern moment.
Days are over and my nights are filled with joy.